What's going on, guys? So today I would like to do something a little bit different, but still in part of my passion, which is electrical works. So today what I got here is a broken washing machine. Not quite broken. I trust this has electrical problems, only electrical problems. Okay, so this washing machine has a problem, which is the on and off button works fine. Other modes like the you see the other modes work, the button works. Only this button doesn't work, which is trying to start the washing machine, and that's quite a problem. So what I have done is I'm trying to solve the problem by taking a look at the electrical works of, or the PCB, or what you call as a wiring diagram for the Samsung WA90V4. So I've read the wiring diagram, and I'd like to also try something which I think I might find the problem. So after turning off the washing machine, plugging it off from the circuit there, we're going to flip this one first. Okay, now we can see in the back here it has a PCB. Now, okay, so here we go. Based on the internet wiring diagram I got for this Samsung WA90V4, this part here, this is called the jumper, or J12 in the code, with this feed ground of the push button switch. They should be both connected. Okay, so they're supposed to be connected. What we'll do now, we will test this with an avometer. So let's check this out. Okay, we're gonna test the beep. Now let's test the both of this jumper. I mean this part. Will it be connected? We'll see what happens. I don't hear any beep, so I think there's something wrong with the jumper, but we will try to connect this jumper with the left feet or the ground of the push button switch. We'll connect this with a cable here that I got. Okay, this is a serrated cable. We'll solder this part here on the jumper 12 to this left or ground part of the push button switch. We'll try it out and let's see what happens. Soldering is already quite hot. Just plug it up a little bit. Now what we'll do is we'll measure this cable here from the jumper to the ground of the push button switch. We'll check if we'll measure it. Okay, both part here. Okay, part. Now, because I don't have a wire stripper, I always learn this from a friend. Please don't. If you have a wire stripper, just use a wire stripper. But in this case, I don't. So, pick this thing up. Okay. Now we're going to twist it. So I will make one part with the other end of the cable. We use heat and put a little bit, put the soldering iron, just a little bit, both of the ends of here and the cables, and then there. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, that's quite comfortable. I'm sorry if you cannot see, but I'll try as best as I can. Okay, we'll heat here first. Okay, I'm just going to get a bit of the soldering iron to the end of the cable, the brass copper. Now to the other end, we also did the same. Oh, it's got wet. Let me just. Really connected both the cables. Not a satisfied worker what, but I'll manage that. Now let's move this soldering iron away. Okay, let's test on beep. Okay, I'm just going to touch the solder part here. Okay, now both of them are connected. Now let's test it if now it works, right? This is a very judgy moment. If it's all good, we'll seal this again with the hot glue we have here. So to make sure it's secured again, waterproof as best as I can. Okay, let's test this thing. Bismillah. Okay, it's got okay. Now test volume. Okay, checking everything's good. Okay. Okay, works. It's quite great. Let's turn it off. Okay, now last part is just to secure both of these parts now. Oops. Okay, we'll flip it. Now let's seal it so that it's safe. Just by heating a little bit. Oh, this is the biggest. I've successfully made this washing machine start button once again. Thank you for watching.